Hello all, welcome back to Audiology with Kwaja. In this video, I will explain about what needs to be done when the payment failed in a process of registering with RCI. Let's get into the video. We'll start with Google and then we go and get into this login page of RCI where we'll enter our username and password and then get into our dashboard. From the dashboard, we have application status and then press new registration, the only option available, and then press submit. So now you will get to know if your payment has been accepted or payment has not been received by the RCI. So there are chances that your bank might have debited amount from your account, but the amount might have not been received by the RCI. In this case, what happens is this space will remain like this. It will not show you filled. So what happens to that money? Most of the time, that money will be debited, credited back to your account. It will be refunded. In case if it is not refunded, I would recommend you to file a complaint with the respective bank. Next. So now we are very sure that the payment is not received and our application is not going to move further because for it to accept, it has to go through the payment. So we have to go to the repayment option. Select the only option available and then submit it. When you submit, it is going to start from the payment page. So it will mention about the fee details. Again, make sure everything is correct. And then when you press pay fee, it will take you through the payment page. It will ask you like how it asked before, your debit card details and then your OTP, and then once you submit, it is going to give you an acknowledgement slip. Thank you.